Welcome to the session number 52. This session is for BSc third semester Basic English, Rani Channamma University, Belagavi. So in last three sessions we have discussed various issues like global warming, climate change, greenhouse effect and related issues. In today's session we shall continue our discussion. This is the last session on global warming and climate change. So the theme for today's session is main causes for global warming and remedies. Learning objectives is to get knowledge about the basics of climate change. The session outcome for today's session is students get knowledge of erratic and irregular climate change affecting plant life and ultimately human life. So first of all we shall see what is meant by global warming. So already in the session number 49 we have discussed that global warming is the increase in the temperature of the Earth's atmosphere over a period of time. So when the Earth's temperature or atmospheric temperature of the Earth increases over a period of time due to various reasons, it is popularly called or is known as global warming. Then heating of the Earth's atmosphere by radiation from the Earth's surface. So Earth's surface absorbs the sun's heat and radiates it back into the atmosphere, that is Earth's atmosphere, causing the increase in atmospheric temperature, which is called global warming. Now the process of global warming. So global warming takes place when heat trapping greenhouse gases accumulate in the atmosphere. So heat trapping greenhouse gases. So these greenhouse gases trap the heat in the atmosphere. They do not allow the heat to pass into the space, and because of this trapping of the heat in the atmosphere, the atmospheric temperature increases, causes global warming. These greenhouse gases absorb the heat, keeping it from escaping into the space, means they do not allow the heat to pass into the space and they trap it into the atmosphere itself, and the result is increase in the atmospheric temperature of the Earth. So this is how global warming takes place actually. Now what are the causes of global warming? So the first important cause of global warming is nothing but accumulation of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor and chlorofluorocarbons. As long as these greenhouse gases continue to accumulate or to collect in the atmosphere, the atmospheric temperature keeps on increasing. The second cause is the absorption of infrared radiations by the greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere. So when these greenhouse gases absorb the infrared radiations, global warming is caused. Then collection of heat trapping greenhouse gases in the atmosphere is one more cause or is one more reason of the global warming. Then various human activities like deforestation, establishment of factories, unlimited use of vehicles also causes global warming, because all these human activities help in the increase of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Now what are the effects of global warming on nature and human beings? So global warming not only affects nature but also human beings. So first important effect or consequence of global warming is increase in the sea water level. So water level in the sea increases because of the increasing temperature of the Earth. Then global warming may cause droughts and famines affecting lakhs of people across the world. Global warming may also cause heavy rains and it may cause flash floods. Global warming also causes stormy heat waves to blow, affecting various countries in the world. Also, global warming impacts world's poorest and most vulnerable people. Then, global warming disturbs food production and it may cause starvation. So, global warming may be a reason for the disruption of food production system, and it may also be a reason for the starvation of the people across the world. Global warming also endangers some animal and plant species. It also disturbs the habitats and ecosystems. Now let us have a recap. So global warming is nothing but rise in the temperature of the Earth's atmosphere caused by greenhouse gases. Main causes of global warming are increase in the greenhouse gases, infrared radiations absorbed by the Earth's atmosphere. First question, which of the following is a greenhouse gas? It is methane, carbon dioxide, water vapor. So all of the above is the answer. Second question, which of the following is caused by global warming? Droughts, rise in sea levels, floods, all of the above. Again the answer is all of the above. Next question, what would be the average increase in the atmospheric temperature by the year 2100? 2.4 to 5.5 degrees Celsius, 1.4 to 5.5 degrees Celsius, 3.4 to 5.4 degrees Celsius, none of the above. The answer is B, 1.4 to 5.5 degrees Celsius. Next question, when does global warming happen? When greenhouse gases collect in the atmosphere, the outgoing radiation is absorbed by the greenhouse gases, both A and B, neither A or B. The answer is both A and B. Next question, the energy emitted by the Earth's surface is trapped in the space, the atmosphere, both A and B, neither A or B. The answer is the atmosphere. Next question, how could the problem of global warming be tackled? By reducing the emission of greenhouse gases, by adapting to the climate change, both A and B, neither A or B. The answer is both A or A and B.